never slept late, I never sat down when told to stand straight. I never let go, I'm gone with the flow. I don't even know really why. I've never asked questions or taken a dare. I've never worn clothes that might make people stare. I've never rebelled or stood up and yelled, or even just held my head high. And all of the feelings unspoken, all of the truths unsaid, they're all I have left of the life I never led. I've never gone surfing or ran with a crowd, or danced on a table or laughed much too loud. I've never quite dared to leave myself bare. I've just been too scared I might fall. I've never seen Paris so naked, been kissed. I've never quite realized just how much I've missed. And what did I get for hedging each bet? Another regret, and that's all. And all of the wishes unasked for, all of the needs unfed, they're all that remain of the life I never led. But now that you've given me one little taste of it, and now that I know what I know, well, how can I the waste of it? After all of the years that I've clung to my fears, won't you help me let go? Help me let go. I want to be brave. I want to be strong. I want to believe I'm where I belong. To stand up and say, I'm seizing the day, to not just obey but to choose. And I may not surf, I may not see friends, but I have to know that I still have the chance. And maybe I'll make a painful mistake tonight, though to take or refuse. And all of the doors yet open, all of the roads ahead, beckoning bright, scary and new. But I'm standing tall and then I'm walking through. What's gone may be gone, but I will go on playing dead. It's time to start living the life I never led.
Wow, well done, Katie. And what do you think of Katie's performance tonight?
Right, this one is another one of my favourite musical theatre songs. I've seen this live when they've done it in Beaufort, I think. I was working behind stage actually, and I knew the girl who was singing it, and she actually sang it a similar way to you. And she actually told me how incredibly hard it is to hold and belt that last note after singing that song like that. And you nailed it. You really sold the story of the way she was feeling in the musical. And my God, I honest to God, right, even though it is sort of easy in the beginning, that is my favourite of yours ever, because musical theatre is you. It runs in your veins. I can see it. You get such a rush from singing. I mean, as soon as you finish singing with it, you just have the biggest beaming smile on your face, and I love to see it. And you just nailed that. You smashed that out of the park, and I am so incredibly proud of you, because I literally saw you and you were like, I'm so scared, what if I forget the words, oh my God. And you were so nervous, you were so doubtful. I was like, look, just go out there, breathe, you're going to be fine. And I was right, wasn't I? You nailed it. Well done.
Jelly?
Knew it was coming. You've got such a beautiful voice. You really have. It's just so beautiful. And I think it's perfect for theatre songs, because you've got such fantastic control, incredible diction. You put so much character into your performances, and just watching you, and the light and shade that you have, and the way that you use your head voice to convey emotion and get that right amount of light and shade is such a mature and well thought out performance. And you've got such a lot of strength as well, especially in your belt when you held it at the end. I think you're just like the full package. You really do have such a beautiful, beautiful voice and an amazing stage presence. I thought that was an absolutely breathtaking performance, and I'm glad you didn't damage any of Joey's equipment this week either. Well done, Viv. That was sensational.
Well, I got it. Again, I got it because, like, obviously when we was putting together this process at the beginning and obviously putting everyone into categories, the theatre singers obviously came into the variety category. But I didn't realise there was in the variety category until like the last 2 weeks when you're really showing us what you can do with theatre and stuff. Never mind. Anyway, Katie, honestly, that was simply stunning. The way you held yourself then, for somebody so young too, and still new to the industry and stuff, the way you held yourself, the way you came off the stand, the way you controlled that song, that last note, everything about that was at such a high standard for somebody so young. It was literally, it was perfection. That's the word I would use, and I don't use that word often. I felt like that was perfection of what you've just done. And for me, it was by far your best performance so far today. And this is what I'm liking, because we get to see people like you, literally, where in your audition, we didn't know where you was going. And then literally from there, you kind of found the lane that we wanted to see. And ever since that now, it feels like you're stepping up and really finding who you are as an artist and what showcases you best. You should be really, really proud of what you've just done. That was perfection. Welcome.